Hello guys, welcome to another course from Instant Hub. In this video I will be showing you how you can add a dark and light mode into your website. So on this very web page you are seeing on your screen right now, if there is a toggle button, and in this toggle button I have a checkbox at the background, but I'll be changing the checkbox into a toggle button like this one you're seeing right now. So now if I should toggle this very button, the whole web page is going to change to a light mode, and if I should toggle this back, the whole web page is going to change back into a dark mode. So before we get to that stage, I will be going over a few things now. So I will open my VS Code here. In my VS Code I have a folder called webcard. So inside the webcard I'm going to be creating two files. So the two files is going to be one for my index.html and also the other for my style.css. So I'll be having another one here as style.css. So inside of my HTML, I'm going to be creating the doc type so that I can give my project a title of webcard. Okay, so now inside of my body, I'm going to be creating a few div. So my first div is going to be the container that the image and also the description is going to be inside of. So now I'll be creating a div for the box first. So I have an input type of checkbox. Okay, so and also I'm going to have a class of check, and also an ID of check. I'm adding this ID because of the JavaScript, so we are going to be getting this element by the ID of this check. So now under this inputs, I'm going to be having a label that is going to carry the class of check. So now I'm going to add a class of a label. So inside of the label, I'm going to be having a span. So this span is going to serve as the ball that is moving inside of your switch button. So now I'm going to be adding a class here to a class of ball. Okay, so I'll save this and then I'll copy this patch and go and paste it in my browser to see if my code is running. So now I'm going to paste this one here. Okay, so I think I have the checkbox here. So now I'm going to go back into my script tag here. So right under this box, I'm going to be adding an image. So the image is going to take a folder of image, and I have a picture inside that folder called profile pic. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that halt. So now I'm going to be creating another div for the details, which is going to have both h3 and also a button. So now I'm going to create a h3 first. So I'll just add a dummy text here, like my name is so in this name I'm going to be making this name a bold tag. So I'm going to be making this Michael. So you can add this, you can change this text to whatever you like and add it to your project. So now I'm going to be adding the lorem here, the lorem tag here, so that I'll have a bunch of text in my web page. So under this h3 I'm going to be having a button. Okay, so a button of see more. All right, I guess that is all we have inside of our HTML. So if we go back into our web page and refresh this very web page, we are going to be having both our image and also the h3, so also the button. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you how we can style this very entire web page to look like something like this. So we are going to be changing this checkbox into a toggle button like this one here. I'll see you in the next one.